Tired of chasing down LinkedIn profiles? Yeah, we've all been there, bouncing between spreadsheets, tabs, and extensions, hoping you didn't message the wrong John Smith. Well, it's 2025. Let's put an end to the chaos. Now with Reply's contact enrichment, you can automatically add LinkedIn profiles, job titles, and company info to your contacts right inside your Reply account. No more tool hopping, no more guesswork. Just clean data in one click. Here's how it works. Navigate to the People tab in your Reply account. Select the contacts you wish to enrich with LinkedIn data. Click the Enrich button at the top of the page. A settings window will open. Keep your existing data unchanged and simply add LinkedIn URLs. Or let Reply update additional fields such as job titles, company, and positions. Once you've made your selection, click Start Enrichment. The process will begin automatically. To enrich contacts during import, select Import via CSV on the People page. Choose your file and map the appropriate fields. You'll see a new option, Enable Enrichment. Toggle this on and choose whether you want to update existing fields or keep them as they are. After import, LinkedIn URLs and additional information will be filled in for you. No extra effort required. Once enrichment is complete, you'll receive a notification with the number of contacts that were successfully enriched. 1 data credit is used per enriched contact. No LinkedIn data found, no credit is spent. If you're using LinkedIn for outreach, and you should be, it's 2025, remember? This is your golden ticket. Head to your billing page right now, grab some data credits, and build true multi-channel sequences, LinkedIn plus email, without ever leaving Reply. Contact enrichment is live. Try it out in your Reply account today. Smarter outreach is one click away.